So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. We have the angel coach Shikha Modi. She's from Go Nature, and we have Daisy Johnson. She's 53. She's from Mumbai, Maharashtra. And I was informed that the health issues she was having, and she has very successfully reversed that. She was having BP problem from 10 years, right? All the medicines were gone in 1.5 months, right? And thyroid she was having since 2015, almost 16, almost 11 years. Medicine stopped by the end of the plan in 5 months. Knee pain from 10 years, she is better now. Mental health issues from 10 years. Significant reduction in anxiety and imbalance. Weight loss achieved. Supplements stopped in the first month. Other improvement. Menopause was smooth. Sleep noticeable improvement. Better digestion, better energy, no anxiety, no overthinking. So thank you so much for showing up. Daisy, over to you. If you can please unmute yourself, and then I'll come to the angel coach Shikha. So Daisy, you can please unmute yourself. Yeah. Yes. Hi, over to you.
Hello, good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, Vishal sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this beautiful Go Nature session that has, come to us, healing that has come to us. And I'm so very happy to embrace it in a very beautiful way because it has healed me in a very beautiful way. So I joined Go Nature because somewhere in the session when you said it hit me hard that BP patients are also heart patients, and I was a BP patient, and I used to always think that I can't be a heart patient.
Hmm.
So that hit me very hard, and I decided the same day that I will join Go Nature, and I will really, do anything to taper my medicines and be disease free. And
Nice.
when my journey started with Go Nature, I was so excited to do everything what was possible for me to reverse my BP, and I did reverse it. And I was so excited and so happy that I was dancing in at one point of time that I've come out of it.
Beautiful.
After that, my next journey was for thyroid.
Hmm.
And initially, I thought that it will be very easy for me since
Ji.
BP was so easily got out of my life. Thyroid will also be very easy for me. But somewhere on my way, in my way, I faltered in my diet due to my work stress, time constraints. I was not able to keep up with my diet. And Shika ma'am was a wonderful person. She has supported me in such a beautiful way by helping me to prep up my meals in a very simpler and easy way, to tell me how I can get my meals in regularly on time by pre-prepping them. And this helped me a lot, and by fifth month also I was my results were not improving for thyroid, so that
Hmm.
made me really serious about myself, and I didn't want to give up on it. And I said, Shika ma'am, I will not disappoint you. I will surely come out of this. And this 1 month, I did definitely did my best, gave my best to it. Breathing exercises, grounding, everything has helped me to come out of my anxiety levels. My sleep pattern has increased, my
Hmm.
overthinking has gone, and even my calcium deficiency is now improved much better. So I'm very grateful and thankful to Go Nature, to Vishal sir, and to my coach Shikha ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank,
much.
thank you
I'm
so
grateful
much.
to God.
Thank you so much, Daisy, for this faith and confidence in us. So let's
Yes.
come to your angel coach, Shikha Modi. Shikha, ये कैसे मतलब possible है भाई? क्या खा रहे हो आप लोग मतलब? अभी वो दीपन आया था, फिर अक्षता आई. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. Sir, this is just because of you. आपकी mentorship के अंदर we are
Yes.
doing everything. This is the faith you have put in us कि हम लोग कर सकते हैं आपके साथ मिलके and आपका हाथ हमारे सिर पे रहे बस that's all वो that is the main thing sir. So sir जो इनकी जर्नी थी काफी easy smooth थी. बट शुरू शुरू में शी वॉज ए वर्किंग वुमेन तो शी हैज टू ट्रेवल 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. सो
Yeah.
फिर उनका चेंज करा डाइट में कि आप वाइल ट्रैवलिंग यू शुड हैव योर फ्रूट्स इंस्टेड ऑफ
Hmm.
हैविंग इन द मॉर्निंग. सो इनकी डाइट में
Hmm.
चीजें ऐसी चेंज करी गई ताकि वो उनको इजीली शी कैन एक्सेप्ट दैट,
Right.
उनकी बॉडी उसको एक्सेप्ट कर सके. बिकॉज इंस्टेड ऑफ वेस्टिंग दैट 2 hours 4 hours हम उसको यूटिलाइज करा हमने उसको.
Very
एंड शी
nice.
वॉज सच ए गुड स्टूडेंट आई वुड से कि वो टी तो टी फॉलो करती चली गई अपने लिए शुरू
Hmm.
के लिए. एंड शी वॉज सो हैप्पी बताने के लिए. आई मीन मतलब मेरे को सीखना चाहिए उनसे कि हाउ एन वर्किंग वुमेन, मैं हमेशा इनका एग्जांपल अपने और क्लाइंट्स को भी देती हूँ कि हाउ ए वर्किंग वुमेन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 8:30 इन द मॉर्निंग कमिंग बैक एट 8:30 एट नाइट, शी कैन डू इट, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इट.
Beautiful.
रियली शी इज एन एग्जाम्पल, और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से किया और हर
Yeah.
चीज को ना समझ के किया सर. दैट इज द मेन थिंग. ये नहीं कि ब्लाइंडली फॉलो, समझ के पूछती थी. आई वुड लाइक, मतलब उनको अच्छा लगता था कि जब वो क्वेश्चंस पूछती थी, इट वाज अ वेरी गुड थिंग. और दोनों ने साथ में मिलकर करा, एंड आपका हाथ था, गो नेचर का हाथ था. वी वुड कम आउट ऑफ दिस जर्नी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, Daisy, coming and sharing. And people believe when they see the live results, and so grateful to you, so grateful to Shikha.
Yes, sir.
And women power. Keep doing this. Even if I meet you after 30 years, Daisy, I want the same energy and same happiness and same.
Yes, of course.
And
Of course. Thank you.
keep dancing. Keep dancing.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you
Daisy.
so much. Yes, Daisy. Thank you so much, Shikha. Everybody just type MPTY for both of them. Right? बहुत बढ़िया.